Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Y5 from 2019, and today I will show you how to transfer photos or videos or any kind of other file from the device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to go to your Files app, which is right here, this yellow folder icon. Tap on it, and you will see your two different, later, I don't want to update, your two storages. So internal is the device itself, and memory card, well, it's the SD card. And from here, you can either look in the internal storage. Now, if you didn't have SD card inserted before when you were taking photos and doing everything, then everything should be located on the internal storage. And for me, let's just see. So my camera photos are also on the phone memory itself, even though I had the SD card inserted. So it looks like the device by default saves to the phone itself. So to get started, to find your, for instance, photos or other stuff, pictures and videos that you capture with the device will be located under the DCIM folder. Pictures below folder will have screenshots and stuff like that. Then downloads folder will probably have everything that you have downloaded using a web browser like Chrome or emails. So it will be basically stuff will be here, and you can find any kind of file here. So it could be music, pictures, videos, documents, whatever you have downloaded will be located here. But for this purpose, I'm going to be transferring the photos, or so right here, that I have just taken off the display behind me. And all you need to do to select them is hold it, the file, and it becomes basically marked like so, and then you can just simply tap on additional ones to add them to the list. Now, if you want to transfer an entire folder of files and you don't feel like selecting, for instance, hundreds of files as each individually, like this basically, you can actually go back to the entire folder where the 5 or 4 photos are located and select the folder itself, like so. So by holding it, it becomes marked as well. And then you have the options on the bottom right here, the two options, which is copy and move. Copy will just create an additional copy of it while keeping the original files where they are right now, and moving the copied one to your desired location, while move will completely remove it from where they are right now and move it to the designated location. So I'm going to select the move option right here. And then it gives you two options now, switches up, and what you want to do is navigate to the location where you want to move it to. So I'm going to move it to the SD card. So I will go back to the beginning right here where I have the option between internal and memory. And from here, I can create a new folder, for instance, called DCIM. So to keep it organized, DCIM, confirm. Then I can tap on it and then press right here to move. And you can see that we're now in the memory card and in the DCIM folder, and there are the files that have moved. And if I go back to the internal storage where the files originated from, you can see that now this place is empty. But yeah, that is basically how you would move photos, videos, or any other kind of file. The process is always the same for moving. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.